Okay, guys, this is Take Charge of Your Life Part 3. Take Charge of Your Life Part 3. Take Charge of Your Life. The Right Mindset Part 3. Your boy Richard here again. I'm just using this social, beautiful. I can't even explain it, guys. I'm feeling so pumped, right? I'm feeling so pumped. I just want to share with you again the continuation of this series because I promised you more of this series are coming at it. So the wind is very strong, guys. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely city out here. It's outdoor, beautiful day, sunshine. We don't see this every day, especially in England. I'm just making it. You can see the wind is blowing my hair all over the whole place. Particularly right now, I don't care, And I just wanna to let you know that this is the right time, guys, to take charge of your life with the right mindset. Okay? This is part 3. I've done part 1 and 2. If you haven't watched it, please, guys, follow the link on this video. You can be able to find it and then continue the continuation to be able to watch it. And then listen to 1 and 2. You should be able to have the right frame mind to continue. To continue. Sorry, guys. It's open door in open space in there. I mean, everybody's having good time. People are having, sunbathing, enjoying themselves. This is what life is all about, guys. It's little things. We overlook them. These little things. We're always busy, pursuing life, but we don't take time out sometimes to relax, detox, reflect, relax from the whole pressure of working every day, every minute, every time around. It's very vital. When you can be able to do that, you can harness the energy that is surrounded within the positivities. And then you can be able to use that, of course, to, divert that into your goals, setting, and then set your plans right, and then pursue them. What I'm trying to say today is this. It is not over, right? I've just been to the town right now, and everything is changed. Everything is changed, absolutely. This pandemic has brought great changes. I mean, I'm looking at situation 6 months ago, 7 months ago now. The difference is just too much, guys. I mean, you have to queue for everything. You have to wear face masks in the shops. You have to wait. You have to do social distancing even in and out of the shops. As long as you're interacting with people, with human beings, like you, me, is changed. And that change brought a lot of pressure. This pressure I'm talking about is in business, is in human, is in everything we do, physical, even in the shopping, even in the practicalities, life recreation, just anything at all you can think about, right? So this change is magnitude, guys, and it's affecting everything. And I know a lot of people will be struggling because people will be thinking, how can they cope with this kind of change? Because we haven't seen anything like this before. The last time people experienced this in England is the Spanish flu. That was when I wasn't even born. But now we're experiencing that, and then people, where did this come from? And then that asks the question, what are you doing right now to take charge of your life? Because this change is here. It stayed. It's here to stay. It's come to stay. It's not going anywhere, guys, right? And then if you don't position yourself in a way whereby you can be able to, manage the situation properly, and then put yourself in a position to be able to, better yourself, better your life, especially finance, health-wise and so on and so forth. You will remain in the bubble. The bubble will take you on. All right? It's a long journey, guys. It's a long journey. It's not going anywhere. So you have to adjust. I have to adjust. Everybody have to adjust. All right? So what I'm trying to say is this. Take charge of your life, guys. Take charge of your life and then improve. Set goals. Set goals, set plans, and put things in place. All right? Let me ask you. What is it that you're struggling with right now, guys? Okay, you lost your job? Are you struggling with finance? Of course, half of the population right now is struggling with finance, trying to pay their bills, which is very difficult. And also lost your job. Have you lost your job? Of course, if you lost your job, that's a really bad situation, a difficult situation to be in. And then you will probably be wondering what relationship, the outcome of the future, especially now. There are a lot of things is going on right now, guys. But if you don't take charge of your life right now, things are gonna get worse. I'm saying this because I'm looking at it. I'm seeing it every day. It's happening. You don't need prophecy, a prophet to tell you what's happening between now and tomorrow. But you don't just have to look at the trend and see where it's going. So I'll be making this series every day, guys, because I know. I just want to change lives. I just want to help affect life. I just want to change life. I just want to contribute, all right, to make it better, to make it easy a little bit, because the change is here. if you don't take action, now, when can you do that? You know what I mean? You wake up every day, you do the same thing, This one is getting worse, not going anywhere. So you have to think outside the box this time, guys. You have to dive inside the subconscious mind, bring out the energy in you, turn that negativity into positivities. This is the problem, but the problem is people don't know how to turn this problem into opportunities. Opportunities are there, but you just have to find it, you just have to explore it. I don't know how else to put this, but the thing is, look, if you don't do something right now, nothing is gonna change. It's simple and short. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter what you buy, what you sell. But you just have to do something. Just have to start doing something. It's really difficult, I just came up from the shop right now, guys. I went to 3 banks because I have to do my banking. Some of the bankings I can't do it online. I have to come physically, to make sure I interact with my bank managers and the finance. And then, just make sure things are moving all right. Just have to keep it up. Apart from calling phone calls and banking online, sometimes you come to, you need to do some things physically. So you have to stop in the shop. And also you need to do groceries. You have to go to the shop quickly, physically, to get, groceries. So these queues took me 4 hours. Queues, a lot of things have changed. So those time management there, who's accounting for them? Those time you spend queuing, who is accounting for them? And those time you stood there waiting, the time you took it to wake your friend house to do the point here, who is accounting for them? Somebody's accounting for them. So that's what I'm saying. It's a great opportunity out there. People need to look to find the right opportunity in this. You have to wake up. You have to think outside the box. There's no more waiting. This is the right time. People are losing their jobs every day. The unemployment is rising. As of 3 weeks ago, guys, more than 12,000 jobs lost just under one shop, under one company. And it's growing. People are losing their means of earning. People are losing their livelihood. So what do you think? What are you thinking about it? What are you doing? What's the next step? It's a big question, everybody. It's a big question, guys. It's a very massive question. The question is, what are you doing about it? If I say, okay, you go into online, look for one course, how to make money, and so on and so forth, there's mirage of tons of searches every day. Queries every day. Things you can do. But is it unique to you? Is it related to you? Have you found your touch? Is it something that you are passionate about? You have to find out. You have to look for that something. You have to look for that something. But if you don't take action, if you don't think, if you don't say, look, let me do this, I have to change this mode, nothing is going to change. That change you're looking for is not going to happen. For example, I woke up today. This is a beautiful day. Lovely day. The weather today is 35 degrees. It has never happened for a long time in England, especially this summer with this coronavirus, right? Yesterday was all right, but not as today. Today, I just have to take the advantage. I took my family out for a nice life dinner at a recreational park and so on and so forth. They then take them back home because everybody's tired. Then I have to come out to do my normal finance, banking and stuff and so on. I just have to use this opportunity to say, okay, let me use this opportunity to reach out to you as well. Because I promised you, my part 1 and 2 has gone. Part 3 is coming. I'm going to continue to do that. It's a lovely weather. And I took the advantage. I took action. It's not a big action, guys. It's not a big win, but it's a small step. That small step means you have to take daily steps. You have to do something. You have to think. You have to take decision. You can't just stand criticize people that are doing it. If you pick this video up and say, this guy is talking, I can't even, what is he talking about? Of course, that's you among the people watching and criticizing, right? Okay, you decided to just talk about it, not criticize me, of course, talk about it. You are among the people talking about it. Well, some people watch this movie, right? Maybe click 1 or 2 links below and say, okay, let me see what this guy is talking about. Take action, actually. And they are gone. All right? But if you notice, you're still there. And the other guys are still there. Those 2 queues are still there. But the guys that are taking action, they've gone because they are doers. So I want you to think like doers, all right? I want you to think like doers. I don't want you to watch this video and don't just forget about it and then just get to the next video and get to the next video. No, don't keep watching. Take action. There is a link below this video, guys. I'm not selling you anything, for example. I'm just saying, if you don't make the change, if you want change in your life to happen, if you don't take action, change will not come. You have to be the change you want, guys, right? You have to be the change you want. Because if you don't take action, if you don't implement the step to make change happen, this change is not going to happen. Nothing's going to happen. Click the link below, guys. It's an affiliate program that has 100% free courses that will enable you to learn how to do affiliate marketing, of course. because I discovered that I'm not gonna say, okay, buy this and sell online, buy this and sell on Amazon, buy this and sell on eBay. Yes, of course, it's gonna take a lot of time to do that. But affiliate marketing is one of the things that is very simple, very easy. Anybody can get into affiliate marketing right now without cost, with zero cost. All right. It's all about selling other people's products online with a special link called affiliate link. You can do that by social media. You can do that by blogging. You can do that by video, just like I'm doing. And when somebody buys that, you get paid. But you need to know how to do it the right way. That's why this course is very important. This course that's below this link video here is very important. You need to click on that course and then find your part. There are a lot of it's a great journey, and again, it's 100% free. So I'm not selling you anything. The question here is, are you ready to take the step? You need to take the step. You need to start doing something, guys. It's the right time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and share, of course. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so I can be able to bring you more videos. Continue to be good, continue positive. It's not over. The only change you need is in you. Don't set any limit to yourself. The limitation we have are those we set for ourselves. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Bye-bye.